So you have mentioned about course that XLRA considers, right? So what will be the cutoffs, like, let's say, for each section of XAT, and then how to clear those cutoffs and then maximize the scoring?
See, this is a very difficult question, Shikanji, to answer because it's all relative, right? If, for instance, lots of students do well in all the sections, so obviously the cutoff of all the sections will go up, right? If lots of students don't do that great, then cutoffs will come down. So it's very difficult to comment on it. We can never predict what would cutoff be, but we always have some weightages. We try to use those weightages. We have given, for instance, some weightages to people, for instance, who are not from engineering background, some weightages, right? Like they should get some opportunities. But obviously, we at Accelerate, we try to balance and we try to encourage those who can come not only on merit, but we stick to the idea of like equity, and we try to help everybody. So I would say that difficult to currently comment upon, because it's all relative. But again, it would depend upon the question paper and how many students are attempting, how many questions in each section will help us define what would be the sectional cutoff and also the overall cutoff.